Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today I am here to give you the reading for the coming week. That is the week starting from Monday, that is the 17th of May till the 23rd of May, that is the Sunday again. So this is the reading that will be from Monday 17th May till 23rd of May, Sunday. So let's go ahead and remove let's remove 3 cards for the sign Aries, like we usually do. I'm going to remove 3 cards. I'm going to put this 2 cards because it has come out, and one more card. This is for Aries. Let's see what Taurus cards are. I'm just going to remove the 3 cards for Taurus and keep it. So let's see. Let's do the reading. So these cards are 3 cards are for Aries. So let's see what the week is holding for Aries. Somewhere the cards for Aries are very okay in the coming week. Yes, there are going to be good relationship coming your way. That will be the relationship that you already have is going to be good, but there is also going to be a heartbreak. You can see that you can see this card. There are chances that someone your near or dear ones, or someone who you really care for or you really love, is going to cause you some kind of sorrow or some kind of sadness. You can say sorrow or sadness. Somewhere it's going to be a heartbreak for you. So you just might be not in that kind of emotional stage in the coming week where emotions are concerned. But then there is this Ace of Cups also. It's a good card. So it is showing you that whatever you will be losing in the coming week, there are chances that it's going to build up new relations for you. There are chances of good things coming in your life also. But yes, if I see the cards properly, I can see that Aries people have to be, because most of the cards, it's a cup card and it's related to your emotions and everything. That's how I relate to. There are going to be some emotional setbacks coming next week for you where your relations are concerned. So it's not going to be that great a week for the Aries people, but stay positive, and this week shall pass soon. But like I told you, there is one card that has been a good card for you. So whatever is going this week might be good for you, because there are new relationship, new things coming in your life. So that will bring you a little bit of happiness. Now we'll go ahead and see what the Taurus cards say. The people who are born under the sign of Taurus have to be really careful in making any kind of decision or any kind of you can say maybe signing, like I always say, signing a contract or paper, or giving a promise to someone of doing something. Because if you can see, this is a Fool card. So what does a Fool do? The Fool is usually in his or her own joy and own masti, you can say, and he really doesn't care, he doesn't pay attention. So it is necessary for you to pay attention to whatever is in your life, whatever important thing you are going to do in the coming week. So pay attention properly and do it. Do not be careless. There are chances of in the coming week that elderly person, maybe a mother or someone, might have some health issues. So you just have to be careful about that, and there are chances that you might have to travel. Also, there is a good opportunity will be coming in your life. It will be where career is concerned basically. And so if you see for the Taurus, the coming week is going to be fine, but you are going to remain careless. You will be careless in signing papers or building a relationship, or wherever your work is also concerned, you have to be very, very careful what to speak in the coming week. But yes, someone old in your family, like a mother figure or someone, will have some kind of health issue. So just be very careful in the coming. Otherwise, your cards are okay, nothing to worry about. Then we go ahead and do, we'll go ahead and do Gemini. Very quick. 3 cards for Gemini. For the people born under the sign of Gemini, the week is going to be good. It is going to be favorable in all the aspects, like the career, the relationship, the love, you can say the finance. Everything is going to be fine. Just you have to be a little careful where your court cases are concerned, or some kind of case that is concerned, because if you see, there is a Justice card here. So Justice cards usually denotes that there might be some arguments or issues regarding that needs to be resolved, or there can be something related to the court or any court case that is coming up next week. Yes, there is a financial condition that I see is little worrisome coming up next week, but because of the Magician card that has come in your spread, it is going to solve all the negative effects it's going to bring you. So you don't have to worry about anything where your financial, your career, your relationship, anything is concerned. The Magician card has taken care of it, and it should be fine. So now we will go ahead and do Cancer. I'll remove 3 cards for Cancer and remove 3 cards for Leo. 3 cards for Cancer, 3 cards for Leo. For the Cancer people, I see a lot of improvement coming this week. There are chances that there will be a moment, a forward movement in your career, in your relationship, or whatever you are going to come in. You are going to see coming it next week. Maybe where your financial, your career, anything that is concerned. So there is a movement shown next week, where most of the cards are Pentacles cards in your this thing. So I do see a financial progress happening next week, but I also do see that whatever you are going to do, or maybe a new relationship or new career, the growth is going to be good for you in the coming next week. The health remains fine. I don't see any problem in the health, but there is seen that you might travel maybe short distance for some financial issue or for some work. So that's it for Gemini. We'll go ahead and see the cards for Leo. If you see the cards for Leo, I do see Leo people have been waiting for an answer or something that needs to come, and I do see that next week is also going to be the same for you guys. There is showing a little bit of wait still, for the decision or for the result that you're waiting for. But yes, and I also see that you are taking a lot of burden related to work, related to your home front, a lot of stress around you in the next week. So just take care of yourself health wise, as well as financially or in relationship. Try to stay calm and peaceful, because as it is, there is a lot of burden that you have been taking, and it is going to be continuing in the next week. So just try to take it easy and think positive. Relationship, I was saying relationship is going to be okay for you, because I do see a relationship moment going ahead. So where your loved ones are concerned, or where your relationship is concerned, it shows a movement. It shows a forward movement. So it shouldn't be a problem, yes, but you need to reduce your stress, because it may cause your health problems. Now we'll go ahead and do Virgo. I'm going to pull 3 cards for Virgo and 3 cards for Libra. Three cards for Virgo, 3 cards for Libra. So let's go ahead and see first what are the 3 cards for Virgo. For the Virgo people, I see a lot of good things that are coming your way. Like there is a forward movement, there is a movement of positivity. You are very confident and you will move ahead very strongly next week. There is this confidence that will be with you the next week. Even financially, I'm seeing that there is going to be some kind of finance coming your way in the next week, but you have to be really, really careful, because whatever is shown to you is not the right thing. Where your career is concerned, love is concerned, anything, it's just like an illusion, kind of a thing showed to you, or you, and the result is going to be something very different. So it's something like, the work front also, if you see, you might see that, oh wow, this is a great promotion that I'm going to get, or great growth I'm going to get, but whatever the picture is shown to you by your boss or by your colleagues might not be that. So where relationship are also concerned, you might see that the relationship is moving in the direction and in the very good direction, but whatever the picture that is shown to you is not the right picture. So just be careful. Don't get very, very excited about things. Just try to wait, see around, think, and then move forward in the coming next week. Otherwise, your cards are very positive. You will be very positive in the next week, and I do see a very good forward moment coming in the next week for you. Now we'll go ahead and do Libra. For the Librans, there are a little bit of mood swings that I see coming next week, but I do see a travel also, maybe a short distance travel is going to happen. You have to be very careful, the Libran people, of some negativity around you, or some kind of nudger, you can say. So just be very careful about whom you're meeting, which people are person who are good to you, or be careful of the people around you, because there is a thing that is showing it. You might be prone to negativity very soon, or coming next week. So you have to be careful. Yes, and your mood swings are going to be, you are going to be emotional, or you can say you are going to be emotionally down a little next week. So just take care of yourself. Maybe you are bored, or maybe there is some kind of thing that you are not bringing it out or admitting. You need to talk out whatever is bothering you. It might make you feel better next week. But yes, there is a little bit of depression, a little bit of sorrow, a little bit of negativity, but then it also can be due to that negativity the situation is caused. So just be a little careful, just be at peace, just talk out to the person near to you, whatever is bothering you, that will help you to calm down. Also, there is a traveling shown in the card, so there are chances that you might travel, maybe short distance, but there is a travel, or maybe you will plan for traveling in the coming months. Now we'll go ahead and do Scorpio and Sagittarius. I'm going to remove 3 cards for Scorpio. And 3 cards for Sagittarius. Let's see the Scorpio cards first. If you see the Scorpio cards, I do see in the coming week there is going to be a lot of issues coming your way. I don't want to be negative, but yes, you are the person who will get through it. There is nothing to worry about. But I do see a lot of people coming and arguing with me. They will not agree to what you have to say. So there will be a lot of argument that I'm seeing coming next week. So just be very careful, with that argument. It can be in work, it can be in relationship, it can be in family. So just be very, very careful about this. There is a constant thinking, a lot of thing going in your mind right now. That might affect your health it may affect your health in the coming week. So just be very careful and don't take a lot of tensions, or don't think too much. Your sleep might get disturbed next week. There won't be like you might be deprived of sleep somewhere because there's so much tension that you are taking. So just remain calm. in the coming week. But after all these things and after all the argument and all the problems, I still see a little bit of moment coming your way. You are a very strong person and you will be moving ahead in your work or anything. You're going to fight with all the things coming in your life the coming week, like any problems regarding your relationship or work or anything. You are a strong person, so you're just going to go through it, let it go and move forward. So it's not going to be that bad a week for you. Now we'll go ahead and see the Sagittarius. Sagittarius week is going to be good because there's the Sun card. It's blessed. It's a very nice card that has come, but the Sun and Moon has come together. So there is going to be some kind of conflict going to happen for the Taurians, for the Sagittarius people the next week, is because the Sun is bright, the Moon is the soothing, calming energy. So there are chances, due to the mixed feeling, you are going to stay confused next week. Also the card is guiding you that how much work you will put in, that much is only what you're going to get. So you will have to work next week if you are expecting something. Plus be very careful where your moods are concerned. You will be emotionally down, you may be sad. There is a lot of emotions that you have built up inside, so that needs to come out next week. But still there is a little bit of emotional a downfall kind of thing. You can say you're going to remain a little bit of sad in the next week, so just take care of yourself. But the Sun card has come, so there is some exciting news that you will get next week. Maybe you will get some good news where your work is concerned. Maybe your work will get better, your relationship with your family members, or you will get some good news that you are waiting for in the coming next week. So it's a mix kind of feeling card. So it's not that bad also, it's not good also, but the week is going to be good for you. Just stay positive and do not think too much. Now we'll go ahead and do the Aquarius. Sorry, not Aquarius. We'll go ahead and do Capricorn. We'll do Capricorn and Aquarius. So 3 cards for Capricorn and 3 cards for Aquarius. So there are 3 cards I have removed for Capricorn people. Again, for the Capricorn people, I see in the next week some kind of finance coming your way, so it's not a bad thing. There will be money coming in. I see financially whatever you have invested or whatever you have put in, it is going to give you result. I mean to say, so I do see some kind of finance coming your way. You are going to make some kind of money next week. But I also do see a travel related to maybe some kind of relationship, some kind of function, or maybe you will plan for traveling. Also, there is going to be a lot of opportunities coming your way next week, but somewhere you are not ready for it. So you emotionally, you can say, or you have set up your mind in such a way that you are not ready for the coming opportunities and you are going to ignore it. So just be careful what good opportunities come to you in the next week, and try to see good things in it and try to grab the opportunity you get next week. But I also see a lot of conflicts that can come your way. People not listening to you, or people not taking care and all those things, and then it might cause some kind of argument and you will have to deal with that argument in the next week. So just be careful with it. But there is a lot of positivity also coming for you next week. New opportunities, maybe a travel plan. Financially you are going to be fine, so that's a good thing for the Capricorn people. Now we'll go ahead and see Aquarius. For the Aquarius people, you will be taking too much tension next week. Don't worry, everything is going to be fine. It's just your thoughts that is powering you and making you scared. So don't worry, Aquarius people, you will be fine. Just change your thoughts to be positive and you shall be okay. There is a lot of good people that you're going to meet next week. There are chances that you are going to have new relationship, new friends, you can say. That is going to bring a lot of positivity and a lot of happiness in your life. Plus next week is also going to be a little difficult for you, in a way that there are chances that you will have to fight to get whatever you want. So it's something that you will have to work hard towards what you want. So if you work hard, you will get whatever you want, but then it's in your hand to take care of the situation and do what is needed to get the result what you want. So that's a good thing. It's not a bad card. Now we'll go ahead and do the last one, that is Pisces. Three cards for Pisces. So for Pisces people, I don't want to be negative about next week, but I do have this card, so I'm just a little worried. It's nothing that serious, but there are chances that in the coming week there can be some kind of negativity or that is going to affect you. There is some kind of negative emotions or negative things that is going to affect you emotionally as well as physically in the next week. So just take care of yourself and take care of the people around you. Again, the card is also guiding you that however hard you work, it's going to give you that result. So you have to, if you want good finance, good relationship, or good people around you, you will have to work towards this. There is still a wait that is showing next week. Whatever you have been waiting for the result or waiting for anything, the answer to any of your questions, it is still showing a wait. So you will have to wait for some more time. Next week might not be the time that you will get the answer to what you're waiting for, but I would suggest you, for Pisces people, just be very careful of the negativity around you and try to be positive, stay calm, and do not worry, everything will be okay. As far as this card is concerned, I am a little worried for Pisces people, but it's not that kind of worry because there are other two positive cards that have come with it. So just if you take care of yourself and be positive, everything looks fine. But be extra careful with the negative people around you, and be extra careful with your family and your health in the coming next week. So that's it for the next week. So we are done with the reading for the 17th May till the 23rd May. We are on Facebook as well as on Instagram, so please go there and like my page. Also, it would be really great if you could subscribe to my channel and click that bell button, so whenever there is a new video coming from my side, you will be informed. That's it for now. Next week reading we'll be doing next week, and I'll see you guys soon. But till then, be safe, be happy, be positive, and take care of yourself. God bless. Thank you. Bye bye.